What's up? I just woke up. I don't know what we're going to do, but what's up? It's your boy Slade.Driven back at it again.
Where do you think you're going?
I don't know. They've been telling me hints, but all they've said is Florida, which could be anywhere.
We're headed to the Freedom Factory.
Huh?
To watch a drift event.
Huh?
Yeah. You ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
And we have made it to the Freedom Factory. I just got a picture with Cletus, and we're walking back down to the bleachers to get some more footage, but okay. Alright, well, that just went by. But, yeah, it's been pretty cool so far. We've had a few wrecks, but nothing too bad. They've been wrecking in the turns and everything. I also got a picture with Chelsea, but he honestly wrecked the Fox body, so they gotta pack up and go. But other than that, we're about to go back, so I'll see y'all there. Alright, we just got a picture with Hurt, and we were gonna get one with him in Bowling Green, but my parents took one with T-Pain before, so, and he took the picture of them with T-Pain, so we got his picture, and we're down to Adam LZ and his girlfriend. But alrighty, well, yeah, there goes that. Alright, we're going to see who is out here for signing, and hopefully we can get some pictures and maybe something for them to sign. I don't know. But I'll meet y'all over there. Alright, we have made it over here, and the line is massive, but they're signing stuff to give away, but I'm probably gonna we're gonna get them to sign the Klutch Kickers flag that we got, so we'll get some photos.
Jaden gonna get chased.
Hurt life in the Nissan.
Hurt qualifying 24th. Jaden Martirana qualifying 41st. Jaden utilizing
for Cletus.
All
right.
Yeah, typically,
We made it, and we didn't miss him.
You looked at the track before us. We have two different contact patches, two different colors.
After this round, so
the
I'll
asphalt on the
try to
outer,
get him
zone
a
number
good
1
run.
and I'm sure he's happy. Moving on.
Cletus just qualified for tomorrow.
Unfortunately, not able to take the
We'll get some
victory
good
over
footage
Cletus.
of
He'll
him
have to
tomorrow
call it
too.
again.
That's gonna wrap it up for Saturday at Klutch Kickers Freedom Factory. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.